Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy sales strategies with Typeform, beginner guide step by step clearly. To deploy sales strategies using Typeform, start by accessing the Typeform website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, click on the Create button to start a new project. Select the Form option to create a new Typeform. Choose a template that suits your sales strategy or start from a blank form. Add a title that clearly reflects the purpose of your form. Begin adding questions that will help you gather valuable information from your leads. Incorporate various question types, such as multiple choice, short text, or rating scales to engage your audience. Consider adding conditional logic to tailor the experience based on user responses. Customize the design to align with your brand by selecting colors, fonts, and images. Preview your form to ensure everything appears and functions as intended. Once satisfied, click on Publish to make your form live. Now, gather the link to share your form with potential customers. Use email, social media, or your website to distribute the form effectively. Monitor the responses in real time through the Typeform dashboard. Analyze the collected data to identify trends and insights that can inform your sales strategies. Finally, adjust your approach based on the feedback and analytics from your form responses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.